Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to de-wiper the Ford Fiesta MK5. It's pretty easy and straightforward to do. I bought a kit on eBay which I'll put a link in the description below. I'll also be taking out the wiper motor as well, so if you guys need to know how to do that as well, I'll be showing you as well to do that. I won't be replacing it, I'll be taking it out obviously, to make the car look like this. To this. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is take this cap off the wiper arm and take this nut off. It's a 13mm nut. If you're struggling to get this off, that's normal. It's just probably corrosion, corroded in there where it joins in. Just if you can, so this is just going to come off like that. So if you have a struggle, try and put some WD-40 where it goes, and hopefully it should come out with a bit of a pull. Next thing you want to do is open the boot, and you want to take out this screw. Now the little tug, if you're struggling to get this off, get a trim tool in between here and try and pull this trim off, or if you can, get your hands underneath and pull it out. It's easy, like so, and then place it at the back of the car. So what you want to do is take out 1, 2 and 3 bolts, take off this connector, and there should be a little connector that goes onto here, the earth, and there should be a screw going into there, so just take that out and then wrap that in some electrical tape. I'd advise you to disconnect the battery just to be safe, but I'm a bit lazy and I haven't done that, so but you should them 3 out. You should just better put it out like so. Bear in mind that goes through the hole. This is a tricky bit. You now want to, you've got 4 sides you need to push in so the bung will come out towards the exterior of the car. Now you can use, if you can, use a right angled pick, which does help. If you don't have one of these, you could use a small flat base screwdriver, which does the trick just as well, but isn't so good at the corners. Once it's out, you then get the wiper bung kit, you get the top bit, which has already been painted for you. You then simply just put that over the top, like so, and hold that in place with one hand, and with the other hand, get the other side of the bung kit, like so, and then fit that onto there and screw it in, having these little fins at the bottom, as you can see, so it's easier to turn around with your fingers, tighten up and loosen off when you take it off. That's now fitted. You don't want to do it too tight, you might break something, but you want to do it tight enough so it doesn't come loose at all and hold. It makes sense, just do it finger tight and nip a bit more, if I was you. So it should now look like that. So it's finger tight, so it's secure, and that's pretty much it. Leave the motor out. If you want to replace the motor, you put a new motor in and the bolts and put the new connector on, put the connector on, and then put the trim back on, and then not forgetting the screw and the thing that screws into, and then that's it. As you can tell, it looks quite good now without the wiper arm in place. Really easy to fit. It looks really good. A lot cleaner at the back end. Hope you guys enjoyed my video.